To set up app timer on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we need to go to settings, scroll down until you find digital wellbeing and parental controls, scroll down again to find app timers. Now we can use one of these suggested apps or categories in order to immediately create a timer, or we can tap on the panel itself in order to create our first timer. Here we can set up the name, so set the name as you wish. Then we can tap here in order to select apps that will be included in that specific timer. So let's say I'm gonna choose several apps. There we go. And all of these apps that I add here will be jointly included. So if I now create a schedule and if I set 1 hour and let's say 10 minutes, then if I spend 10 minutes in Spotify and then 50 minutes on YouTube, then I will totally spend 60 minutes or the full hour. And it will be deducted from the app timer. We can choose days of the week, so if you want to exclude some days so that the app timer doesn't work in those days, then of course you can do that. You can also create multiple schedules, so let's say from Monday till Friday I have 1 hour 10 minutes, but on Sunday let's say I have 2 hours timer, and then I can press save. If you want to customize the timer later on, then you can go back here and you can tap on the timer and we can enable and disable these timers and we can press save. Furthermore, if you want to create more timers, you want to tap on app timers text here. So instead of tapping on the timer, we can tap on this text here in order to open this menu, and we can press this plus here to create another one. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!